Dingangisano di tsweletse moraga gore mo palamente wa kwa Namibia Ina Hengari a dire metlae mo Twitter ka mathata a Afrika Borwa a motlakase. Go nile le tsibogo e bonako go tswa go se bueledi sa lefapha la merero ya boditšhabatšhaba Tleisen Monyela a re mathata a energy mo nageng a tlile go rarabololwa.
If this was a joke, I think it was in bad taste, particularly coming from a member of parliament. The energy challenges in South Africa are being addressed, and this will benefit not just the people of South Africa, but I argue the entire SADC region, if you consider how interconnected our economies are.
Eskom ya re e abela Zimbabwe le Zambia motlakase o monnye.
There are two contracts each. Those are a fixed contract which has a fixed electricity price and a fixed amount of electricity that gets sold to each country, like any customer in South Africa. Then there is non-firm contract for both countries. Non-firm means when Eskom is short of generation capacity at home and declares load shedding, that part of the contract falls away and no electricity is sold.
Ditlamo kwa dinageng di tshwana le Namibia le Botswana le tsona di reka motlakase go tswa kwa Eskom.
Eskom also does sell electricity to some customers that are based in Mozambique, inside Mozambique and closer to the South African border. Those would be the smelters. And I must also state at this point that all our foreign customers are in good standing. Eskom also does sell some electricity to individual companies inside the borders of Namibia and Botswana.
Kgabagare setlamo sa motlakase kwa Zimbabwe se tsibositse gore go tla nna le kgoreletsego mo tlamelong ya motlakase ka ntlha dikgwetlo kwa diteišeneng tsa motlakase tsa Kariba le Gangwe.